Hi there, Habibi here. In this video I will continue my tutorial series about how to create a simple passcode system. This time I'm going to add randomization in this passcode system. Right now the passcode is hard-coded here, or you can set the passcode here, the correct passcode, and I'm going to add an option to make it easier for us to choose. Should it be random passcode or should it be the predefined passcode like this? I will create a public bool random passcode. By default the value would be false, and here in the start function I will make an if statement. If random passcode is true, if random passcode is true, I will randomize the passcode. So like this, it will be correct passcode would be math that random, sorry, not math, just random dot range. Here we are going to specify the range of the number. I have 1 2 3 4 I have 6-digit code here, 6-digit numbers here, and what I will do is to type 1 2 3 4 sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, I type 100,000 for the minimum range, and the maximum range would be 999,999. So the correct passcode would be a random number between 100,000 to 999,999. That way, if we set the random passcode to true, the correct passcode will be a random number. There is an error. Okay, because the value of this function is integer and the correct passcode is string, we need to convert it from integer to string. So what I will do is to just append the number with this empty string, simply like that, and I will try to test the game. Sorry, I need to check this checkbox to make it random passcode. Previously we didn't have random passcode. Now we will have a random passcode. I will try to test the game. And let's check this object, the passcode input. Now the correct passcode is 429492. 429492. So I will go back, I will exit the game and replay it, and next time the correct passcode would be something else. Now the correct passcode is 743503. 743503. 743503. Okay guys, that's all for this video. In this video you already know how to generate a random passcode for this simple passcode system in our game. Bye bye, see you next time.